Top 5 apps like MySpinsite Roblox that actually work today. If you love Roblox, you know the thrill of customizing your avatar or winning spins in games. Most people get this wrong, but there are apps beyond MySpinsite that are safe, reliable, and actually work today. Here are the top 5. First, Roblox Mobile. The official Roblox app isn't just for playing games, it often includes limited events and free spins in some games. You can also earn Robux through safe promotional activities. Second is Bloxburg Simulator companion apps. These apps provide guides, tips, and legitimate ways to maximize your in-game currency. They are trusted by thousands of players to make leveling up faster. Number 3 is Roblox. This app helps players track giveaways, events, and legitimate Robux deals. The key is verifying that all offers are safe. Roblox makes it clear which events are verified and which are scams. Fourth is Roblox Studio Mobile. While it's mainly for creating games, it also unlocks rewards through challenges and community contests. Many players earn Robux by designing popular games or selling assets. Finally, we have Roblox. This companion app focuses on item trading, value tracking, and market insights. You can check which limited items are trending, so you can make smarter trades. In conclusion, while MySpinsite is popular, these 5 apps offer safer and more reliable ways to enjoy Roblox. Whether you're spinning, trading, or creating, these tools help you maximize your game without risking your account. Dive in, explore, and level up smarter today.